Hello all, welcome to Weekend Getaway Vlog Trip.
Episode 2.
This past weekend, I went on a crabbing trip with Jerod and a good friend of ours to the Oregon coast and crab for the first time. It was perfect timing because there was a heat wave in Portland. What a better way to cool down from a little escape from the heat. The views here are just stunning and just breathtaking, and just being surrounded by bodies of water is just really calming as well. And then having, seagulls and also really friendly people that are crabbing, that made the experience much more just chill. Ever since moving to the Pacific Northwest, I've always wanted to try crabbing because I love eating them and it is one of my favorite protein. So I'm just happy to have the opportunity this year to actually learn and do it myself.
Catch any?
No, not enough, not big enough to
Not
keep.
quite big enough. Almost though.
We unfortunately didn't catch any Dungeness crabs that are size eligible to bring back with us, but we did catch a European green crab to try, so we took that home and made a meal out of that. So it was really tasty, and for sure we will be back for more crabbing because I really enjoyed it. The experience and the people and just being out in the coast is one of my favorite places in the world. So I would highly recommend anyone who would like to do something like this. So I would definitely support crabbing for the first time. Akon!